arrived in Sandakan about an hour ago. And this is our motel right on the bay in Sandakan. It's an interesting place. Very interesting place. I don't know really what to wear sometimes. Yeah, it's a little bit cultural, you could say. But yeah, check that out. Tomorrow we get picked up in the morning, 8 o'clock, by Borneo Eco Tours before we head off to the Kinabatangan River. So it'll be a 2-hour drive in a bus. On the way there, we're going to stop at the Sipalak Orangutan Centre and across the road to the Sun Bears. So I've always been wanting to check out the orangutans. So it's a rehab centre, so we'll be going there first, and then it'll be a 2-hour drive through the jungle until we get to the Kinabatangan River, and then I believe it's a 5-minute boat ride to the Sukau Rainforest Lodge, and that's where we'll be for 2 nights. We've got some little tours organised to go out in the river, and we'll be looking for the Borneo Big 5. Here we are. We're in the Cephalon. So just walking through the boardwalk now. It's quite exciting actually. Very excited. You can't take bags in here, so funnily enough, I've bought a one of those things for your passport and stuck it under my belly with my phone in it. I've got a camera in my pocket, this camera. So
feeding will start shortly, and then we'll leave this place on 9:45.
Yeah.
Okay, so there's 2 sections: fan sealing and air condition. So
Perfect.
awesome.
yeah, actually just go over that.
Thank you.
Yeah. So I'll call you guys later whenever we want to go to the second feeding.
Yes.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yep. Sounds good.
So we're heading over to the Sun Bears now. It's just straight across the road from the orangutans. This is going to be cool. So that's the size of a sun bear, and the reason why it's a sun bear is because he's got that yellow marking on his On his chest. Hang on. Oh wow, Dave.
Okay.
You're a midget. Oh wow. They're all the different bears. Oh. Here we go. All the different primates of Malaysia and Borneo. And the Hornbill. Hopefully we see those. Oh wow. Ooh. Do not provoke wildlife. Dave, did you read that? So that's the size of a sun bear. It's actually the same size, probably of a Labrador or a cattle dog. That's how little it is. Crazy. Anyway, I see a live one. Oh, there's 3 bears. Look at that. Beware of snakes, Dave.
Oh. There's always a snake in the grass somewhere, Tan.
Yeah. Oh, there's 3 of them. Wow.
No, actually they're actually around 16 to 18 years old already.
Oh wow.
Yeah.
Well, they look smaller than the other ones, probably because they're further away.
Yeah.
Yeah. Well, they are smaller, don't they?
Dave, put your hand there to see if it's bigger than some bears. Oh, it's almost a bit.
Including claws on bigger.
Including the claws are bigger.
Yeah, that's it. Like I say, big hand, big heart.
That's funny. Aww. Some bears sleep at night, start searching for food early in the morning. Well, they like apples and carrots. That's what they say. Finally made it to the Kinabatangan River and about to get onto the boat and head off to the lodge. So, and there's crocodiles here. And cute doggies. Coming, there's more people coming. Still to come.
Yeah.
Hey Dave.
Tanyas. Yeah. Yep. Hi.
but then the distance will be bread. I bet
Oh, stuck the maggots.
Thank you.
Okay.
Right, let's skip a tan.
Yeah.
Stay tuned. We are almost off.
Yeah, element now.
I am.
You're gonna regret
Here we go.
sitting on my
This is going to be so much fun.
Is that good English? Selfie myself?
Yeah.
I suppose that works.
You always selfie yourself.
Why not?
You're in Borneo, it's okay.
Came back with that, mate.
It is. What a great experience. So excited.
Luxury.
This one.
Finally made it. This is the Sukau Rainforest line.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
It's every
80 centimeters.
Oh, almost a metre.
80 centimeters.
Yeah. Wow.
Almost.
Almost.
can't see him.
Some people said it was it's almost similar like the, house cat. House cat
Oh
size.
yeah, yeah.
So, yeah, stay aware on your surroundings.
Yeah.
Oh, there he goes.
That's the cream colored giant squirrel.
Oh, there we go. Well, that's one tick.
There was a monkey. I think.
Do it again, do it again. Yay!
Thank you.
That's the cake I learned. Enjoy your cold towels, enjoy your cold drinks.
Okay,
Thank you.
I'll
thank
see you guys
you.
4:30, yeah?
Sounds good. Right down the front?
Yeah.
Yeah,
yeah.
down
Okay.
the front, yeah. Hello.
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 Oh
Thank you
wow.
very much.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Thank you, thank you.
Thank you so much.
Oh wow, thank you.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you. Nice and cool in here.
It is.
Just sit there on the left, Dave.
Over here?
Yep. Just you'll do. You'll do. So we just arrived at our room and this is our view. Our front door. What have we got there? Conservation Fellows Professor David Newsom, not the David Attenborough. This is our room. This is so cool. So we came in by boat. All of our luggage was delivered to our door. We had a briefing and then we were led to our room. And this is it. There's the deluxe room. Also faces the jungle. You can see the jungle out there. And this is our bathroom. Nice big shower. That's actually quite big. And the usual. Just right out the door here. Wow, look at all these. Everything's got Sukau Rainforest Lodge on it. Very cute. Nice. And bottled water. Cannot drink any. There is a souvenir shop here. Beautiful gardens. Just outside our room. Morning! Lovely people. This whole experience has just been so amazing. That's our room, room 18. And down to the gallery. Let's go check this out. It's ape gallery. Oh wow, there it is. There it is. There's David Attenborough's boat. So this is the original boat David Attenborough used in his documentary in 2011 on the Kinabatangan River. And you can actually sit in it. How cool is this? Lots of history here with this eco lodge. All supported by David Attenborough and the founder Albert Teo of the Sukau Rainforest Lodge. So if you want a real true experience of visiting Borneo to see the Big Five and for a bit of history, this place is amazing. Oh, the dongs. That means wildlife is spotted. So if you hear 6 gongs, that means wildlife has been spotted. So we're heading down there now.
Paano tatlo ko galala? Yep. Sorry? Well, hopefully. Fingers crossed all the time, yeah? I'm driving the boat while doing like this. Oh yeah, he's a monkey.
What's the other one?
The sanctuary is that. Alright, so welcome back to the lodge, ladies and gentlemen.
It's 5:30 in the morning and we've just got up, had a knock on the door at 5:30 and we're heading out onto the boat at 6 o'clock after we've had some toast and a cup of tea or coffee. But it's very quiet. This place is amazing. First thing in the morning. How beautiful it is. Unbelievable. This is right on the Kinabatangan River. The Sukau Rainforest Lodge. It's so peaceful, quiet. Supposed to be plenty of crocodiles in there. We haven't seen any yet. Only proboscis monkeys and orangutans. Absolutely amazing place. Dave's grabbing his tea and coffee.
Today's story.
This place is so well organised. I had just booking with Claire at Borneo Eco Tours, and just the whole customer service, everything is absolutely fantastic. The best we've had so far in our experience here in Borneo and generally in Malaysia. So if you really want to have a good experience, well organised, come here and deal with Claire at Borneo Eco Tours. We've actually got a little surprise for her when we go to Kota Kinabalu. Hopefully go and visit her and give her Kenny the koala. Morning. Where would you like to sit?
Morning, boat crew. I'll be all.
Monday. This is the best Monday because we're not at
Oh, we're
work.
not going to work.
Yeah.
There we go.
You can play.
I wish. God, not that old.
There's a few boats out already.
I can't wait at all.
Do this, but I want to
Do
go
anything
time.
apart from work.
Yeah, no, I like that thing too.
Thank you. Sorry.
You know, the,
So we just got back from our morning cruise, which is from 6 o'clock, and we got to see the Rhinoceros Hornbill. So that's tick number 3 of the big Borneo 5 that we've seen. And this afternoon I'm going on the Pygmy elephant boat cruise. It's about 4 hours because apparently they're about 2.5 hours up the river. So it's going to be a big afternoon out in the boat. And yeah, so we'll just have breakfast. So we headed out in the afternoon in search for the elephants. It took about 2 hours and a bit before we actually spotted them. So this was really well worth the trip. We were lucky enough to see the elephants for about 10 minutes before they retreated into the jungle. So it's our last night here at the Sukau Rainforest Lodge in Borneo on the Kinabatangan River, and we have had an amazing time here. We got to see 4 out of 5 of the Borneo 5, except for the crocodiles, which I'm glad that we didn't see. Anyway, night night. So it's our last morning here. We're leaving at 8, or breakfast at 8, and then we're leaving at 9 o'clock on the boat back over to the wharf and onto a bus, and then we go up to the Rainforest Discovery Centre.